Hello!
Hi, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. Today this edition will be presented by us, Anna Kasatkina
And Ekaterina Stikhina.
Now you are watching the roundup of the currency and commodity markets for last week.
So what events were unfolding on financial markets?
The US dollar was losing ground against its main counterparts.
And what exactly triggered the bearish sentiment among investors?
A series of statistics from the United States indicated weakness in the US economy. On Friday, the US dollar fell below weekly minimum against its major peers as a result of unexpectedly weak data on US consumer spending and inflation. Investors had to revise their outlook on the timing and the pace of rate hikes in the United States. On Friday, the US dollar sank to an intraday low of 100.85 versus the Japanese yen. The peg closed at 101.27. The dollar-yen pair lost 0.5% for the whole week. Besides, the pound sterling eased to 1.2914 against the US dollar. The British currency slumped 1.15% last week amid rumors that the Bank of England has to enlarge a stimulus package to cushion the fallout from Brexit. The US macroeconomic statistics revealed on Friday that the US economy is not as powerful as it seems at first glance. So the retail sales showed zero growth in July, missing market expectations for a 0.4% gain. The retail sales slowed down markedly in July from 0.8% growth in June. Moreover, the US producer price index slipped to 0.4% in July. The figure has been the worst drop since September 2015. Consumer sentiment also declined in August, falling short of expectations. The euro-dollar pair closed at 1.1161 on Friday. The single European currency climbed above a weekly high of 1.1221 versus the US dollar. The euro gained 0.7% last week. The market was absorbing several reports from Europe. In particular, Germany's economy expanded to 0.4% in the second quarter, better than expected. However, the figure lags behind economic growth in the first quarter. In addition, the Eurozone's industrial production slowed down a pace of growth to 0.6% in June, down from 1.2% growth in May. Economists had projected a 0.5% rise. The Australian dollar came under pressure as market participants were disappointed with the publication of macroeconomic indicators from China. That's all about the current tendencies on Forex.
Thank you for the currency pairs overview, Ekaterina.
You're welcome, Anne. And what mood did prevail among commodity investors?
Crude oil rose while gold fell in price. On Friday, oil futures reached a three-week high following Thursday's 5% jump as investors closed short positions after Saudi Arabia had confirmed its intention to participate in the discussion of price stability in Algeria. But the US crude futures eased slightly after reports showed that the number of oil rigs in the United States increased over the seventh consecutive week. ICE Brent crude oil for October delivery rose by $1.15 on Friday to $46.97 per barrel. For the week, the London traded futures strengthened by 5.74%, showing the best weekly trend for the last 4 months. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, September crude oil futures advanced to $44.49 per barrel, gaining $1. For the week, these contracts rose by 6.04%. Meanwhile, gold prices finished Friday's session in the red zone, although most of the session the metal traded in positive area. Trading on COMEX, December gold futures hit a session peak of $1,362.50 per troy ounce. However, after that, the precious metal fell to $1,343.20, losing $6.80 or 0.5%. Over the week, prices fell by about 0.1%.
Anna, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Kate.
You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on ИнстаФорекс TV.
It was presented to you by us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Anna Kasatkina.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.